Brianna, I'm going to make a Wendy strawberry mango salad with chicken in it. I have the mangoes right there.
Cut up.
Strawberries cut up. The chicken and the...
Cut up. And then we have the sunflower seeds.
The
kernels. We're going to use the spring mix right here. We have the feta cheese right here, the feta crumbles. And we also have our salad that I cut up. The romaine lettuce that I cut up. And now we're going to make the salad. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to put the lettuce inside the pan. I'm supposed to have a bowl, but we forgot it, so you have to improvise. We also added the spring mix. Now we're going to add a little bit of mango, strawberry, chicken, the seed kernels, and the feta cheese. So far we added the mango, strawberry, chicken, the sunflower seeds, and the feta cheese. Oh, sorry, we didn't add the feta cheese. Yeah, add some cheese over there. Not a lot, but just a little bit. So that's like our first layer. And then we're gonna put now we're gonna put the second layer, which is the rest of the romaine lettuce and the spring mix. Come on, put it in. We're actually making this for my brother's 30th birthday party. All right. Okay. So this is the salad. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna layer it with the mangoes. No. Here, Brandon. Lay it. Come on, just spread it out. So this is Brandon spreading out the mango. Here, you're doing the same spots. Here, over there next to you. Yeah, over there. Yeah, just spread it out. So, over here. Next, right here. Put some over here too. All right, next we're gonna have our strawberry. And this is actually a pint. I'm sorry. A pound of the strawberries, and this is 2 mangoes that I cut up, and this is the romaine lettuce, which is 3 patches over here, baby. Over here. So I cut up 2 of the 3 pack of the romaine lettuce, and then we have bought a chicken from the store. We cut up the chicken breast and the chicken legs. So this is it right here, and then we just bought the sunflower seeds from the store, only $1. Yummy.
I can't eat this. I'm gonna eat this. Oh my God. I don't. Now I'm gonna be a vegetarian.
Over here too. You know, it's a nice healthy salad. And you can also roast these sunflower seeds. Sunflower kernels, you know, like the honey nut ones. And then we're gonna spread some.
Oh, sure.
Just spread it, please. And then you have the feta cheese.
looks like cottage cheese.
Because you're supposed to spread it out.
Let me do it too.
This is our beautiful Wendy salad. We have the romaine lettuce, the spring mix. We have the feta cheese. We have the chicken breast / legs. We also have the strawberries, and we have the mango, and we have the sunflower kernels. Boom. Here you go. A beautiful salad. And to go with that, we have our Newman's own citrus splash. Oh shoot. Okay, so anyway, I don't know how to make the my own dressing yet, but this is it, and I hope you guys can use the same recipe as me, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.